I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing tools and positioning yourself safely. Ladder stable, towel under headrail to catch hardware. First, lower the blinds fully and flatten slats so nothing binds. Next, inspect the mounting brackets at each end. Identify whether they use inward clip tabs or visible screws. If clips, press or lift the release as you hold the headrail. If screws, remove them with the correct driver. Once freed on one side, support the headrail before disengaging the other side to prevent dropping. With the headrail supported, slide or tilt it out of the opposing bracket. Do one side at a time so you never lose control. Once the headrail is clear, remove end caps and unhook the tilt mechanism or wand. Some metal blinds have snap-in valances you pull straight down. Detach the ladder tapes and cords carefully to avoid fraying. As you remove slats and components, group screws and clips into a labeled box and photograph layout for reinstallation. This prevents confusion later and preserves hardware integrity. After removing all hardware, clean the window area and inspect screw holes. Fill and paint as needed or measure holes for new anchors. Recycle or store the old blinds and keep labeled hardware for warranty or reuse. If you plan to install replacements, test each bracket for level and structural soundness before mounting. Troubleshoot common problems. If the headrail won't release, gently pry the bracket lip while supporting weight. If the bracket is bent or stripped, swap it for a new one to ensure safe mounting. Make sure to remeasure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.